What's up at Wescott? Well, we're glad you asked. This award-winning, urban-inspired community is located in Midlothian, Virginia, and has so much to offer homeowners, no matter their stage of life. Here's a snapshot of where we are in the spring of 2022. Homeowners have moved into townhomes or condos and love everything about this community. Want to connect? The Connection has you covered, whether it's with neighbors, family, friends, or even a Zoom call. Homeowners can rent this clubhouse for events, business meetings, and more. They can also use it for that work-from-home lifestyle. Imagine the luxuries of the office without commuting. The park offers games, hammocks, and ample green space. Oh, and we crossed the road. That's right. Wescott now sits on both sides of Lonas Parkway. Are you or someone you know looking for that low-maintenance, lock-and-go lifestyle? Check us out at wescottnewhomes.com. Wescott is an HHHunt community. For a complete list of our communities, please visit HHHuntcommunities.com. HHHunt, because it's how you live that matters.